Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 21 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create responsive cards in Figma. I am designing a card for a tourism app. I am adding an image, name, location, and some description. I will add an auto layout to this section of content. Now set constraints for inner frames. I will set them to fill container so they can adjust according to the width of the outer or main frame. Same for the text layer, they should also be set to fill container. Now add auto layout on the main card or frame with the wrap option, which is the last option in layout style. It means content will adjust automatically on the next line after a specific maximum width. I am setting the minimum width for the card to 320 pixels to restrict its minimum width. You can control your layouts by adding minimum and maximum widths. I am adding a call to action button also for booking destinations. The image frame should also be set to fill container to behave accordingly. Add the minimum width for the card also, which is 300 pixels in my case after subtracting the padding from the full width of the card. I have added 10 pixels of padding on both the left and right sides. Add the same minimum width for the text content frame also. So the text content is behaving fine now upon changing the outer frame width. Now set the maximum width of the card. You can set the maximum width according to the design layout of the main page where you are going to place the cards, so that cards can adjust according to the available space and screen or frame size. You can apply maximum width to content and image frame as well to test how will it behave when you apply max width constraints. So I am removing the maximum width for now to animate it properly and adjust it to any width between 320 pixels and 800 pixels, and due to the wrap auto layout style it will automatically change its direction and content will move from vertical to horizontal layout. It is behaving like this because we have applied a limit to its width, not height. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.